Hi Ashok, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. I'm Vashini from Quality Department. Today I'm gonna take feedback video from you. First of all, congratulations for completing the course in CMTI. Can you
Thank you, ma'am.
introduce yourself?
Myself, Harshavardhan, ma'am. I graduated from East Point College of Engineering from Masters in Construction Technology. Then I got joined at CMTI for IDM course via online.
Okay. So in IDM course, what are all the topics you have learned?
Mainly coming to the IDM course, the basic knowledge of what are the raw materials used, what are the types of finishes, and how the hardware works. And coming to the softwares, we'll get to know about the AutoCAD and SketchUp, which is taught by Venkatesh sir.
Okay. How are the trainer supports?
Trainer supporting is very good actually. They are like more engaging towards the students, including if you have any doubts, you can contact him. You can contact them at any time. Yeah, they are very supportive.
For juniors, what will you be saying about CMTI?
Yeah, it's a good platform to learn about the skills required for like what you say for any qualifications like interior design, or else if they want to go for the site also they have like other courses for them. So it's like a good platform for gaining the knowledge.
Yeah, that's good. How is the Ashok support towards you?
The placement distance is quite good. They actually refer like one or two companies. So I got placed in White Lotus. So the placement assistance is also good.
Okay, for which role you have selected?
I selected for junior interior designer role at White Lotus Interiors.
Okay. Congratulations for your placement.
Thank
Have
you.
a bright future, Ashok.